What's up, everyone? So today I'm making a video of a DIY project I'm trying to do in my garage. Since it's a lot of stuff that I need to do, put a storage in my backyard and concrete pad and gravel, level it, and everything like that. So what I'm doing today is I am making a deck storage platform in my garage so I can still fit my boat underneath. And I forgot to start filming yesterday, so I kind of stopped in the middle of the night, so that way I can kind of show y'all what I'm doing. Now, I'm not a professional, I'm not an expert deck person, and so I'm a DIYer home project here. So uh, I'm gonna put the video on fast forward, and yeah, I'm gonna put y'all on a time lapse and kind of show y'all what I'm doing. So what I got going on here. Sorry, I got all my stuff on the boat. I'm about to show you what I got. I did clean it up and then I had to put everything back on here because I have the boat in here. I don't want to take it back outside because I don't know if it was gonna rain. So this is what I got going. Let me show you what I got. Uh, so I'm making it 6 foot tall, uh, 6'2", 6'3", somewhere around there, just so I can walk underneath it. Just gonna have a platform to store my mess that I got in my garage. In the meantime, probably do something else later once I put a shed in the backyard. But yeah, so I can put my boat underneath here still, park it, put it in the garage, um, and then yeah, that's what I got going. So I'll put you on a time lapse, kind of get going what I'm doing. And like I said, I'm not a professional, so I'm doing it my way, how I think is gonna be sturdy enough for the weight that I got going on here. Um, so enjoy the video. You got any questions? Please comment down below. Maybe how to do it better. How to put placement of the 2x6s that I'm using and everything like that. So stay tuned. All right, now that that's done, I'm gonna put two beams across, on each side, help it support it. Like I said, it's not to put a lot of weight, just a couple boxes and storage containers and stuff like that. So I got all that done. Got the bracket anchored to the ground, to the concrete. So I got that done. Got some bolts on there on each corner. So it's pretty sturdy. Uh, I think it'll hold pretty good. You know, 600 plus pounds, maybe 1,000 pounds plus. somewhere there. So I got it pretty mounted pretty well. So I'm just gonna put you on a time lapse, try to get these knocked out. I might pull the boat out a little bit so I can get in there and do some stuff, make it easier for me. So uh, yeah. So I got those done. Got these on here. They look pretty sturdy. So took me a minute, but I'm getting there. I don't have any of the decking or plywood. I don't know what I'm gonna put yet. If I'm gonna put like some kind of decking or plywood, and then I'll add that later. I have to get them cut there because I don't have a truck. So I'll try to do the other side. I'm thinking about probably just gonna do the same because I got two more 2x6x10 left. Put some kind of rail side just so stuff doesn't fall over or whatever. I don't know, just to make it look kind of neater. Gonna cut that 4x4 right there at the top. Notch it out, do something. I don't know. I don't know yet. Let's see what I do. I might just cut it, make it like just flat. That way you just slide stuff around up there. And then so yeah, probably do two more. Yep, go after that. So put y'all back on a time lapse and get back to it. So this is what I got going so far. Got it all mounted. Got some braces on there. I don't think I'm gonna put anything here. Just in case I gotta access the panel for any reason. So I'm probably gonna leave that there. And then I'm probably gonna put this measures out, I think 5 feet. So I'm not too sure what I'm gonna put out. I'm definitely gonna put plywood, but I might put another board there. I had it kind of go wide right there just because of that. I didn't want to leave it too not be able to access it. Or I might be just put something here. I'll probably just put some drill stud right here. Make it easy, and then yeah, that way it doesn't cave in there or anything like that. And then I'm pretty sure this is pretty good here. Um, then eventually I'll probably open that up, run me a switch, uh, with some power on it, so I can put some lights under here. That way it won't be so dark in case I got to sweep anything around here, or clean up, whatever. But as you can see, I mean, I'm 5'9", so, or 5'8", somewhere around there. I like to think myself as a taller person, but uh, anywho, so yeah, this is around 6'2", 3 inches, somewhere around there. So hopefully, I'll get this done another weekend. But yeah, this was my DIY project, so I could put all my mess over there, and hopefully, hopefully, within these next couple of weeks, I can take the boat out fishing, do something. I do have a trip planned out with the wife next month. So it just depends on what I'm doing. It's kind of hard for me to go out fishing right now. My area is either raining or it's really windy, and it's just going back and forth, and it doesn't get hot till like 3 o'clock. So by that time, it's already too late. I don't want to hook up the boat, drive an hour to go fish somewhere and whatever. But yeah, you guys stay tuned. Hopefully in the next video, I'll have this finished up, and then I'll keep y'all updated. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.